Arthritis pain is bad? Stop the hurting and read the information below. When it comes to managing your arthritis and its symptoms, few things are as effective as a thorough understanding of the condition and how you can improve it. This handpicked selection of tips and tricks can provide the perfect starting point for anyone who wants to learn more about this painful condition. Try doing exercises that are low impact, such as biking, swimming, or walking. They can help you ease pain in joints. It is always a good idea to check with your doctor before making any big changes to your exercise program. Before you begin self-treating for arthritis pain, be absolutely certain that the cause of your joint pain and stiffness is really osteoarthritis. A lot of people make assumptions that aches and pains they suffer as they age are from arthritis, but a wide variety of ailments can cause joint pain. A CT scan is the best way to know if your pain is really caused by arthritis. When you have osteoarthritis, exercising your joints is an essential part of managing your condition. Experts have found that exercise helps relieve stiffness and keeps your joints more flexible. Stretching exercises along with lightweight training can also improve your endurance and help you sleep more soundly, leading to less pain and a better quality of life. Because arthritis can affect the way that you cook, it is important that you buy the proper cookware and utensils. If you pick any old utensil, you may find that you cannot use it. It is recommended that people with arthritis get lightweight cooking utensils that have easy grips. Take a warm morning shower. Many people who suffer from arthritis have the stiffest joints when they wake up. Starting your day off with a warm shower will loosen your joints enough that you should be able to stretch them, which will help to prevent any stiffness you may experience later in the day. If you have arthritis, you should consider taking fish oil supplements. Research has shown that the omega-3s that fish oil contains can decrease joint pain and inflammation. You can find fish oil in some vitamin and supplement stores, as well as some supermarkets. Whether you are struggling with the pain of arthritis or know someone else who is, the advice in this video is invaluable. Follow these tips and learn how to live with arthritis without allowing the pain to control you and keep you from doing the things that you love and enjoy. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.